right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to go over a summary of what we learned in section 6, which was the main menu. So we talked about the file menu, talked about new project, new team project, new folder, Adobe Photoshop file, and Maxon Cinnamon 4D file, how to open a project, team project, and recent, how to browse and bridge if you actually have it installed, how to close the window, how to close the project, save as, import, file multiple files from libraries, Premiere Pro project, vanishing point, placeholder, and solid, import recent footage, export to media encoder queue, render queue, Adobe Premiere Pro project, and Maxon Cinnamon 4D exporter, how to add fonts from Adobe, Adobe Dynamic Link, so new Premiere Pro sequence, import Premiere Pro sequence, how to find, and then run scripts, project settings. Then we talked about edit, composition, layer, effect, animation, view, window, and we talked about workspaces, how we're going to be talking about that in the next section, which I'm very excited about, and also all the panels, which we're going to be covering in depth in section 8, which I'm also looking forward to. We covered the extensions, where you can find extensions and kind of what their purpose is. And then we talked about help, how to find help with through Adobe's feedback options, and all these different options here for different things. Updating, how to manage your account, how to log out and what that would do. Online user forums, how to provide feedback, what enable logging is and how to review a logging file, Adobe Crash Reporter, and all these different things here. Okay, so that's summary. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.